The following video is for the W3X Excavator Scale, the tear, and the basic calibration. All of this should be done after you have completed the sensor setup, which is in a separate video. So to begin with, you would first place the machine on level ground and adjust the arm angle to 25 degrees. And as you can see in this particular video, the arm is set at 25, the boom is lowered and raised as directed on the screen. While this is happening on the machine, you will see the blue bar for the arm degrees go both to the right and to the left. And simply put, as you can see in the video, you lift the arm up and down. Then you set the boom angle to 20 degrees. This is for setting the rotational part of the sensor. You see once again that you simply rotate the machine with the boom angle set at 25 degrees. Notice that the arm is still also at 20. Now you adjust the arm angle to 5 degrees, in other words, bring it back towards the cab. And again, we're operating the boom up and down, lift and lower as directed on the screen. Remember that the start button needs to be pressed each time that we begin one of these operations. Once you've done that, you enter the approximate weight of the bucket, the lift arm, and 1/3 of the weight of the boom. For the basic calibration, again, you fill the bucket with material, set the lift arm at 25 degrees, and lift and lower as is directed. Now in this particular case, the clamshell bucket did not quite hold all of our product in there. But we've gone ahead and continued. Now we're set at 5 degrees, and again, we simply lift and lower as directed on the screen. The blue bar in the middle of this page that you see inserted into the video will move right and left as you lift and lower. Once you've done the 20 degree, 5 degree, and basically at this point, we're checking forward after we have entered the calibration weight, the reference weight that's called manual. If the system will repeat the weight, keep in mind that the weight can be adjusted by going into the menu and hitting the adjust button and using the up and down to do that. This actually completes the calibration video for the W3X Excavator Scale.